Yeah, man, Pave, check in. Right now, we're right, walk around on the Twin Sister Falls. Go check on the Janga pot them again. Yeah, man, me and Natty go around on the Twin Sister Falls. Eh? Natty around there, so. One Natty. Yeah, so. We are taking time growing on the Twin Sister Falls. We are beat up pot them. So look. Coconut look wild. Natty have one and me have one. We'll bust that one, you can see it. When I spoil it, man, so that I make it jungle them going at the pot even more faster. Yeah, man, so right now, reach on for tata stick then there. Because every time come round here, film head have to lick up in one of them stick here. You see it? Look right there to me head, look. You see it? Yeah. So every time come round here, yeah, boop! Yeah, so this is a tata stick there. What? A job? Yeah, man. So we take time walk around for the Twin Sister Falls there, you know. Yeah. We'll get them pot there. Beat up. Because I know I'm not beat none of them there. We go jungle them. Eat them out already. Man, see my bend down and die tick round there, so. Come on, so. Reaching the nature of Jamaican hills and valleys. Around here, you have a lot of mawo tree, that is the lumber tree. Blue mawo. Yeah, man, you have all different type of tree around here, so man. Around here, you can come chill when you're just relaxing. You want to see where the pump house water used to run. The man got them abandon the pump house right now. So I don't know why. Them know. What natty? If you say them pot the wash right now? Because smooth water never in this way, you know? Yeah, we had rainfall last night, so I wonder if the fish pot them wash way. Peeps, so I want them I coconut we are going to pot them, you know. So it's in a 6 piece. But we can break it up fine because I mash them on the fish pot fine. So right now, nothing I get them broke up a little smaller. So then can't drop out through the fish pot. Because the fish pot fine. Yeah, and we have the smell bad one around here, so. So I dry fish back them now. So under stay tuned. Watch all good.
Yeah? Babies, I would use it. There's people here. Now hook and drop here now, if you can count now. Yeah. Why John guy.
Yes, one crayfish night.
Yeah, crayfish night.
People. Yeah, one crayfish night. See me? See me run up and down. Yeah, and couple jumpy sailing.
Very nice.
Take out the crayfish and show no one. Go on.
And I beat them at night.
Don't swing your pie, no.
Yeah, that is it. That is it.
One small crayfish.
Yeah.
What go on when they bring up to put him in, no?
Yeah, so you feel.
You can't bite me.
Yes. Big man afraid of crayfish.
Yeah, you bite me.
Big man afraid of crayfish. That's how crayfish are biting. Yeah, that's but full of trust people.
Yeah, we're jumping sailing night.
Yeah.
What? They start jump out already? What?
I'm going to find two of them back, you know.
Yeah, man. Don't never find them.
I have fishing down there. Yeah. So stay tuned to reach another one them and take over people. So
Yeah.
remember to like the video, you know. And
Share.
share and subscribe to the video, you know. And tell a friend, tell a friend. Yeah man, T-Bag lifestyle, man. Remember we there. No fear. That is it. Feed. Feed again, T-Bag will draw next spot.
Yeah, next spot now.
Yeah. Down in our hole, you know.
Hey, two crayfish in this.
Two crayfish into that.
Two crayfish in this.
Come over there, man. Come over there, man.
See them there? Could jump in CLE?
Yeah, man. Over crayfish in the people, man. Come over there.
They take out the big stone then.
Yeah,
Make it part heavy.
Go up on the bank, you know.
Yeah.
Go up there. Carry up, man.
Nice one in this.
Up there, this one.
I'll open the flat there.
Yeah, man. That is it, man. But they're active.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That is it,
Come on,
man.
go on.
Yeah.
Take them out and show them what go on.
Alright. Yeah, yeah.
Joke talk, see him there? Put your bites up, come here man.
Man, feel like crayfish are far.
You know, I can't take a bite.
Yeah.
How the next one now?
The next one bigger.
The next one is bigger. And you have one far.
Yes, people.
Oh, yeah, Jack. Grab one for me. Think you can grab one for me all day? Don't in my back. Yeah, man, I hope a Janga in the phone.
Hold the past Janga we make better see tonight, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so that is it, you know. So stay tuned. Yeah, man, and remember if you like the video, yeah? Please and thanks. Yeah, man, one T-Bag lifestyle, man.
That is it.
Yeah, man. So, we are going to go on more of the other parts, so. Through the bush, you know, walk, you know. T-Bag way over there for there. You know, go along over there for there. See him? Way over there for there. Now take a different road, you know. So stay tuned and watch where I go and come. Don't know T-Bag over there, so. Yeah, walk on the side and go up. Yeah. Water kind of heavy, but then I woodland still, yeah. So, you know what it is. Way over there to the water, though. I mean, they're over that side, that's so. Stay through and big bamboo root, like that. Bamboo, way up in the air, you know, them big man, a bamboo and a man. That is it, man. Bamboo them. Big one. No, man. You need a pot, you know. Reach, I need a pot, you know. Okay, so I need a pot, you know. Yeah, that is it, man. Yeah.
And big old hill.
And big hill, you know. Can't wear, sir. Can't wear, sir.
Big, hey, big, you know?
Can't hill, sir. Oh, if you set the big line, them.
Big.
Oh, if you set the big line, them.
Big old hill, no crayfish can it's kind of eat him.
Yeah, man. See, yeah. And big hill catching eye.
Big old black hill.
Yeah, man. I can set the big line and see it tonight. Yeah, man. That is it, man. Yeah.
Big old hill. What are people there?
See it? See that? Jungle and going to feed out, you know.
Pour up the pot, you know? Go there.
See the people? See it? Yeah, man. Big hill and pot.
Eat out the jungle them.
Don't eat out the jungle them people.
And where you come from, man?
Eh?
Where you come from?
In the water.
Pass so far away, them, sir? No, sir.
Oh, you little boy.
Probably sketch crayfish and eat out here.
Yeah, man. I think going there, man.
Move, man.
Yeah, man. So, you're not kill him.
Me lick him.
But I not until in life.
His strength there?
You not until in life. Yeah.
So, nothing up in the head?
Yeah. And good helping on the big line, the monkey that fly now.
Yeah.
Pull on for life on it now.
That no, no.
Cut off a piece and set on the big line, man. It's fast and the bungo, you know.
Yeah. No, it's it make it pot heavy.
Yeah, man. I've got crayfish in here, so man.
Hey, man.
I have a couple of jungle in the sea, you know.
Yeah. One jungle and nothing.
Yeah, go on show everything. There's people see here. See?
Same thing?
Yeah, man. Long way, man. See to the whole of the jungle there. Yeah, man. That is it, man. So, people are going to go to the jungle, you know?
Yeah. I'm not climbing it.
Yeah. Big climb, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That is it, man. So, I'm going to look some bait to see it tonight.
You're active.
The big eel, and we are cutting on two and set him on the big line.
Yeah.
And get a snapper tonight. Remember we are showing you tonight. Stay tuned and watch the video because it's going to be nice and epic, right? So,
That is it.
yeah, man. T-Bag lifestyle. Remember, just go and watch out the video because they're all nice, you know? No fear out here in our wilderness. So, that is it. So, stay tuned and watch what we're going.
Right now, we are head back out of the bush, you know. Now, let's see lovely crayfish that we'll catch. Eh? Now, let's see lovely amount of jungle that we'll catch. Crayfish. Yeah, man, so right now, we are touched down and go do some online fishing. We catch a big old eel. I wonder what I'm do up so. Yeah, so we are fishing off for some snapper, barra, grouper, anything come pick up the line. We don't want to see fall though. And a shark. You see me? We don't want none of them there. So right now we are touched back out of the bush and go do some online fishing in the evening here. So we're going there. Lovely nature. Yeah. Not to the round there, so. So we are touched back out of the bush. We set up the fish pot them back and everything. So now stay tuned. Watch what go on. Like, comment, share and subscribe.